Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mrs. Speak English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello, everyone. It is so wonderful to see you today. I am very happy to be here. But Emma, I have been seeing red hearts and flowers everywhere in the city. Can you tell me what is going on?
Oh, Ethan, haven't you noticed? Today is February 14th. It is Valentine's Day. It is a very special day celebrated in many countries around the world to celebrate love.
Valentine's Day? I have heard about it, but I don't know much. Is it just a day for people to go on dates?
Well, actually, that is a common idea, but it is much more than that. While couples do go on dates, it is also a time to show appreciation for anyone you care about. We call it the Day of Love, but that love can be for your parents, your siblings, or your best friends.
That sounds beautiful. But Emma, I am curious. Why is it called Valentine's Day? Who was Valentine? Was he a king or a movie star?
No, not a movie star. Actually, the history is quite old. It is named after Saint Valentine. Legend says he was a priest who helped people get married in secret when it was forbidden. He believed in love so much that he risked everything for it.
Wow, that is a very powerful story. So he was like a hero for love. But how did we go from a priest to giving chocolates and roses?
That happened over a long time. In the Middle Ages, people in England and France believed that birds started to look for their mates on February 14th. Later, people started writing Valentines, which are love letters, to each other. Now it has become a huge celebration with gifts and flowers.
I see. Speaking of gifts, what are the most popular things people buy? I saw a very large teddy bear in a shop today.
Yes, giant teddy bears are very popular, but the big three gifts are usually cards, chocolates, and flowers, specifically red roses.
Why always red roses, Emma? Are other flowers not good enough?
Actually, other flowers are great too, but red roses are a symbol of deep love and passion. If you give someone yellow roses, it usually means friendship, so you have to be careful with the colors.
Oh, I didn't know that. I almost bought yellow roses for a girl I like. That would have been a mistake.
Well, it's the thought that counts, but knowing the language of flowers definitely helps you sound more like a native speaker.
That is true. Now, Emma, what about the food? Is there special Valentine's Day food?
Actually, anything heart-shaped. People make heart-shaped pizzas, cakes, and even cookies. And of course, lots of chocolate. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, strawberries dipped in chocolate. It is a very sweet day.
My mouth is watering just thinking about it. But Emma, what if someone is single? Should they stay home and be sad on Valentine's Day?
Not at all. In fact, many people now celebrate Self-Love Day or Galentine's Day. Galentines is when friends, usually girls, get together to celebrate their friendship. It is all about making yourself happy. You can buy yourself flowers or go to the cinema with your friends.
I love that idea. Actually, I think I will celebrate Friendtine's Day with my buddies. But Emma, can you teach me some romantic English phrases? If I want to tell someone they are special, what do I say?
I would love to. If you want to be very sweet, you can say, "You mean the world to me." Or if you are just starting to like someone, you can say, "I have a crush on you."
I have a crush on you. That sounds very cute. What about be my Valentine? People say that a lot in movies, right?
Yes, Be My Valentine is like a little invitation. It means I want to celebrate this day with you. It's very classic.
And what about love is in the air? I heard that on the radio today.
That is a very common idiom. It means that you can feel the romantic energy everywhere you go because so many people are celebrating.
It really is. But Emma, some people say Valentine's Day is just for companies to make money. What do you think?
Well, let me see. It is true that shops sell a lot of things, but I think it's nice to have one day a year where we remind the people we love how special they are. Life is busy, and sometimes we forget to say, I love you.
That is a very good point. We should say it more often. Emma, do you have any tips for our listeners who want to talk about their Valentine's Day plans in English?
Yes, use the tips we talked about before. Use contractions like I'm going to dinner instead of I am going, and use connecting words. For example, I bought chocolates, but I ate them all myself.
That sounds like something I would do.
Me too, Ethan. Me too.
This was such a great conversation. I feel like I know so much more now. So, Emma, we talked about the history, the gifts, the colors of roses, and even being single on Valentine's Day.
We did. It's a big topic, but the most important thing is to be kind to everyone.
I agree. Well, everyone, we want to hear from you now. Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? What is the best gift you have ever received?
Yes, please leave a comment below. We love reading about your traditions. It helps you practice your English writing, too.
And if you like this long episode, please click the like button and subscribe to Mrs. Speak English channel. We have new episodes every week to help you sound more natural.
Share this video with someone you love. It can be your Valentine gift to them.
Thank you for listening today, Emma. It was a pleasure.
The pleasure was mine, Ethan. Now, are you going to get those chocolates?
I am. I'm going to the shop right now.
Don't forget to save some for me. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.